got an SVR, guys.
Northern Warren County in
Let's go. We got an SVR.
Central Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania.
Let's go, baby.
In eastern Pennsylvania until 5 p.m.
Let's go.
At 4:14 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line
Around
extending from near
KZZ31.
Skitock to near Jonas, moving east at 45 miles.
Let's go. We got an SVR.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Frequency low.
Source, radar indicated.
Source, radar
Yeah, it's on KZZ31 too.
damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible.
It's on KZZ31 too.
Impacted include Hopatcon,
Let's go. We got an SVR.
Hamburg, Litcombe,
Let's go.
Ogdensburg, Sussex, Hope,
This
East
one went
Bangor,
off.
Branchville, Andover, Stoneville, and Wary Lake.
Wow.
This includes the following
That's
highways.
crazy.
Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania
Let's go.
between mile markers 298 and 314.
Wow.
Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile marker 0 and
Yeah, it's on
23.
KZZ31 too.
Interstate 380 in Pennsylvania near mile marker 0.
mile marker 0 and 23. Interstate 380 in Pennsylvania near mile marker 0.
Let's go.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Yeah, KZZ31 got it.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Sussex, and Warren, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Monroe, and Northampton.
Let's go.
Lows in the mid-60s.
Yeah, baby.
5 to 10 miles per hour.
Oh, it's a double header on KZZ31. It's a double header on KZZ31.
Lower 80s. North winds 5 to 10 miles
It's a double
per
header
hour
on
with gusts
KZZ31.
up to 20 miles per hour. The coastal waters forecast from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island to let New York out 20 nautical miles. For tonight, south winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots. Becoming west with gusts up to 20 knots late this evening, then becoming north after midnight. Seas 2 to 4 feet, occasionally to 5 feet.
Let's go. Double header on KZZ31.
60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized
Let's
hail.
go. Double header on
Source, radar
KZZ31.
indicated.
Yeah, baby.
Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Let's go.
Locations impacted
Got the bow
include
thing.
Bush Hill, Blooming Grove, Greeley, Pex Park,
Yes, sir.
Kingdom
Double
Ferry,
header on
Chancellor, Twin Lakes,
KZZ31.
Promised Land State Park, Calumet, and North
Let's
Valley.
go.
For your protection, move to an
Imagine it's
interior
a
room
triple
on the
header,
lowest
then
floor
my
of a
phone will
building.
die.
Heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm
Heavy rainfall.
and may lead to flash flooding.
Instead of, why does it not say torrential rainfall instead?
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has
Let's
been
go.
issued up
Double
to
header.
5:15 p.m. for the
KZZ31.
following counties: Pike, Pennsylvania.
Let's go. Wow.
The current time is 4:18 till early morning. And for Saturday,
Oh my god, that was crazy hell. One alert on KZZ31 and then another one. That was crazy.